What's up, fasters? So one of the questions I get pretty often is, don't you get tired of following your Lion Diet eating plan? And my answer would be, not really. Let me show you what I'm eating today for lunch. We have canned chicken pizza crust topped with refried beans with leftover cacciatore on top of that and some cheese. 1 can of chicken crust makes 1 large pizza. On top of this, we're gonna add some guacamole. We have a salad here, tossed in olive oil, apple cider vinegar with salt and pepper. And we have an egg. So this is how boring the Lion Diet plan is. Almost no net carbs and loaded with protein and nutrients. I'll post the links to the recipes in the description. Thanks for stopping by. Happy fasting.